Sometimes I'm so smart, and then other times I'm just like, how am I lying? Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Craig for those of you who don't know, and we're back with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what we've got to open up today is a Yeezy Day win. Yes, the package has finally touched down. I know a lot of you are waiting for your orders. I was left waiting for mine. Now what these are a pair of the Beluga 350 V2s. I caught an L the last restock they had on these, so when they came up on Yeezy Day, I was like, I'm just going to grab a pair and get them in hand and see what I think. So enough with the chat, let's jump into it. As always on this channel then, we only mess with the real-time joints, so we've got the box here straight from Adidas. Let's go ahead and open her up. I haven't had nails in a long time, this is going to be the test. Quick little rundown for those of you who might not be familiar with this box then. For all Yeezys pretty much you're going to have what it is on the front of the box. So these are a pair of 350s, so we've got 350. We've got Boost here, signalling we've got that Boost technology. It's a pull draw front, and then we do have the sizing. And if you've been on this channel a minute, you know that I'm a 5.5 across the board in all Yeezys, so that's what I got. All draws and nails do not mix. Kanye out here trying to make me bust one, and not in a good way. My intention here was to have these as a beta kick, which I know you're gonna say is mad because these were a pricey Yeezy. Like these are literally, they're $210. Like, not being funny, 350 is not worth $210. But I don't know, something about that colour just looks like a comfort, like holiday airport crepe. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna open it. I won't waste any more of your time then. We just have this standard tissue paper on the inside, but let's get to the kicks. I think, are these the reflective ones? The laces kind of look reflective. I feel like it's definitely going to be a beta crepe for me though. I can't hold you. Don't judge me. I'm not a bougie girl, but like, I will beat up a pair of £210 kicks. Let's jump into the details then, and let's start with this upper. We have this two-tone grey prime knit upper. You can see speckles of other colours coming through. I'm going to say that the speckles that you can see is an orange colour that matches this branding stripe on the lateral side that has a Supply 350 on there. They're saying that this is like sun red or something. For me, for anyone with eyes, it's definitely more on the orange side of things, but you can see speckles of that throughout this knitted upper, which I really like. It definitely adds a little more pizzazz to it, do you know what I mean? Instead of just this plain old grey. It then comes into these laces that are essentially that two-tone grey again. They kind of remind me of rope laces, even though they're not rope laces. I think it's just because the texture and the pattern that they have on there, it's just giving me that vibe. It is what it is. If we want to go ahead and head inside to the inner sole, it's pretty standard on a 350. They're not really going to switch this up. It just has the Adidas and Yeezy branding on the inside. And by the back and the heel, we do have a bit of extra padding and support that just kind of boasts that 3 stripes. Looking at the toe box area, Yeezy never really switches much up in this sense. We just have some grey stitching along here. It kind of, I was going to say it contrasts. It doesn't. That's cap. It basically just blends in with this lighter grey colour. It just blends in with the shoe nicely. There's nothing else I can really say. It's the same on the back also. But I don't know, it's just pretty standard. It's a 350 thing. Coming down to that ribbed midsole then, I'm still going to say this is grey essentially. It's more of a hue or a tinge rather than this bolder grey that we've got up here. Obviously this kick boasts that Boost technology, so when we head down into the sole itself, it is there, gonna say it loud and proud for us. It's got a boost. You can see the boost. It's finna be comfy. At this point, no one needs to keep telling you that Yeezys are comfy. You should just know. Minimal branding as always. We do have a little Adidas further up near the toe box, but apart from that, it's pretty standard. Jump into sizing then, and if you've been on this channel before or know the world of Yeezy, you know that essentially you need to go up in Yeezys. I go up half a size than my regular size. Regular size I'm normally averaging about 5, so I go up to a 5.5 in Yeezys. I know some people, some of the mandem like to go a full size. It depends how you like the fit of your shoes really. But if you have any doubt, go up. We've opened these up, gone through the details, gone through the sizing and all that good stuff. So there's only really one thing left to do, and that's just to give my kind of initial roundup here. I feel like I'm a little bit over 350s if I'm honest, especially after my blue tints. They're just not hitting for me. They're just not the go-to shoe that I'm grabbing if I'm honest. But this is still a super nice colorway. I actually like this because it's a darker colorway. It's something that I don't really have in my collection. I feel like for me, I kind of personally got these just for, you know, traveling things, long car journey, airplane, airport kind of vibes. Just something that's going to be swaggy and still have that comfort. So I am more than happy with these, and it's still a kick that I would recommend. So for that reason, I'm going to sit them nicely at an 8.4. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going through this quick little rundown of the Yeezy 350 V2 Belugas. As always, drop your thoughts and opinions down below. Let me know if you managed to cop anything on Yeezy there. I also managed to get a pair of foams. I just did a mini unboxing that it's on shorts on YouTube on here, so you can go check that out if you want. I didn't feel it necessary to do a whole video since I've already done some foams before. But enough of that chat. Let me know what you think below. As always, you're more than welcome to come over to other places I appear on the internet. Just type in @ShayCray and you're most likely to find me. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, because if you want to be a saucy fly god, know what's coming out, know what's worth copying, then you need to subscribe. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. We then come down to this midsole, which is ribbed. I've got to stop saying it. I've got to stop laughing at ribbed. Like, Shay, you're almost a 25-year-old lady. That basically means you're 30, which basically means I'm 50. So you need to stop with the sexual innuendos. Is this kind of like, am I a heathen? Is heathen the right word? Like, it's right now as I film this, it's sneakers day. And I copped off sneakers day, so there's gonna be videos. But I'm doing a Yeezy day review on sneakers day. Like, is that like a 11th sin? No, not 11th sin. That's 10 commandments. I should know this stuff if I'm honest. Mumsy sent me to church school for no rascal reason. So that's when there's no bloopers at the end, it's because I'm focused, bruv. I'm focused today. Do you know what I'm saying? It's sneakers day. I've been focused. I got the Jordan 4s. That's all I wanted. But I got them. Parkour. When I go parkour, I just think of The Office. So if you get that reference, we can be like best friends. Is it weird to see me without a hat? I think it's weird. I never show my face without a hat. I feel like I'm on girl Shay mode. Girl Shay mode? Shay girl Shay mode. I don't even know English, I swear. ASMR with some Yeezys.